today I'm going to be doing a Pretty Little Thing Halloween decoration haul. They had quite a bit of stuff on their site, so I got a lot of the purple bat theme stuff. I think there was a few other things that I didn't end up getting because I knew that I wouldn't have things like helium or stuff like that, but I did get majority of it because I am doing a Halloween party here at my house with all my friends, so I wanted to do that. And since they were having a 50% off, I was like, screw it, I'll get what I need to get. So that is what we are going to do today, and I'm going to get it up on my screen so that I can tell you how much it cost me, just so you get an idea. I also know that they still have a lot of the stuff up on their site. A lot of it, there is a few things that they've run out of, but they still do have majority of it. Okay, so in total, all of this came to $154, and then they were having a massive sale, so then I got $77 off it, and then it ended up costing me $84.99. Plus that was including the $7.99 shipping. I pretty much got everything for half price, so it worked out really, really well. I think they must have had 50% off. So when I tell you the prices of each item, it is going to be their full price, not the price that I actually got it for, because it doesn't say it, it just says item price. Okay, so I've got my package here. So I'll show you. So the first thing I have here is the napkins, and they are just the bat napkins. So they were $10 for a pack of 16. So I ended up getting 2 packets of the napkins. I'm so confused. They're all stuck together somehow. But this is the bat napkins. So it is pretty much just a black napkin with purple trimming around the outside. So these are actually super, super cute. They feel pretty good quality too for a napkin. This next one is a bat foil balloon. So I'm not actually going to fill this up with helium. This is only going to be filled up with air, but it is still going to look super cute. So that is what the packaging looks like. The balloon cost me $15. Oh, and it's got hanging bats as well that hang at the bottom of it, which is super cool. Do I really want to open this? Yeah, we're going to open it just to show you. And I'm thinking that's to blow the air into it, I think. It's not big. Oh, there's a lot of string. Oh, it's upside down. Okay. So this is the bat balloon. It is pretty much exactly like the napkins, just a balloon version. That is so sick. That is going to look so cool. Oh my god, I'm so excited. How am I going to fit this back in the box? Well, this definitely is not going to go in how it came out. Oh no, heck. Back in there. You don't want to destroy the bats. Oh. Okay, it fits as much as it's going to. Okay, so the next one that keeps falling out at me, so we're going to do it next, is these bat cups. Okay, so I got 4 sets of these bat cups because it comes with 8 in them, and it was $10 for a set of 8. So, how does this work? Ah, do you put the cup in there? I think. I don't understand. Okay, so with all my not understanding, they can either go like that, so they have little wings, which is really cute. Otherwise, they've created this little bat thing, but I think I'll do it with the wings because that just looks too complicated for me. No thanks, we'll stick to easy. They're super cute though. Super cute. Okay, so this next item that I'm going to show you are these plates that I have got. They are just a coffin. There is 8 of them, and I'm not going to take it out of the foil because I really don't want to dirty a plate that someone's going to use. But I don't know if you can see, but it says RIP, and it is pretty much just the purple trimming around the edge. I really don't know if you can see this or not. I'll put their pictures up as well so you guys get more of an idea. So I got 3 packs of the 8 and it was $10 a pack. So they're really good size as well. So they'll be good because I want to do cute food too. So okay, so I also got 2 buntings. So they're like a lettuce lines kind of thing, if that makes sense. So there's this one which is Let's Get Batty, and this one cost me $15. And then the other one I got, a black iridescent bat bunting with black spiders and purple webs. So there's that one as well, and that one cost me $12. So 15 and 12, and I'm not going to take them out of the packets because they're going to be all apart, so I really don't want to lose anything before I have to stick them up, but I'll put the photo of them up for you guys just so that you can see it easier. And then the last item I got is so freaking cool. I'm so excited. This next item I got is probably the coolest part of it all. It is a donut wall tray. So donuts. This cost me, this was the most expensive part, I think. This one was $22, but I figured with this one I'll be able to use it other years as well, hopefully, if it doesn't get ruined. So I'll definitely be able to use this in other years as long as it doesn't get damp or wet or anything like that, because it is cardboard. But look how cool it is! And it says take one if you dare. That is so cool! Oh my god! I'm gonna have to try and get some donuts. I don't think I'll be able to find purple donuts. I might just get the cheap donuts from Coles. Sorry friends. Because I kind of just feel like they're gonna go stale if they're sitting on a wall for long. So yeah, but oh my god, how cool is it? I am so excited. I am so excited for Halloween. Like, I cannot wait. My party's gonna be after Halloween because I've got all this ish stuff going on with like work and family and health stuff, so I'm actually gonna put it back to the 9th of November. But I am so excited to have a Halloween party. Like, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be so good. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I was not expecting to find all this stuff on Pretty Little Thing. I was gonna go to the shops like Big W or Kmart or things like that to try and find some Halloween stuff, but this is really cool because I feel like it's a lot of stuff that my friends wouldn't have seen in the shops, because I feel like everything in the shops is pretty much orange and like skeleton or pumpkin inspired, where all of this is just bats. So I think this will look really cool. I'm so excited. Well, thank you for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see any more videos like this, then please let me know, and I will see you guys later. Bye.